Wait lang, wait. I'll show them.
Why you're not here, Vaughn? Because I was captured by Sandstorm.
Current time is 6 o'clock.
But we're in
Sandstorm. No classes for Brent today. Right?
Yes, but I just want to do work.
What do you want to do work? What work are you talking about?
I just want to pass it.
Ah, your homework. You want to pass your homework.
But how?
You're gonna pass your homework on Sunday. It's no problem. Okay? Di ka rin papasok? Ha?
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm? Oh! See?
Daddy,
Oh my gosh.
papasok ka sa Sandstorm or hindi?
The weather is very bad, so we decided not to bring Brent to school. We have to decide on our own, even though there's no announcement that Brent has no school today. I hope this will subside later this afternoon because Brent really wants to attend his swimming class. But the good thing about this is that
Fetch, good boy. I love this game.
this means that
Please wash your hands before lunch.
winter is really coming.
It could be
Yeah,
full of germs
but the
that
real
you can't
indication
see.
that winter is coming,
Okay, clean hands.
it is when
Become
it starts
doo-doo.
raining. Current temperature is 29 degrees from, well, that's a big bird, from 50 to 55 temperature during summer.
Why don't
Now
you
we're
keep
just 29 degrees and
before I-
yeah, so excited for winter. That man is still walking. See? See? Just ignoring the dusty weather. Brent's favorite Nutella with Milo on top of toast. Yeah. Omelette and toast for breakfast. And it just started raining. Yeah. Winter is really coming. Yahoo! Making some breakfast.
Is it broken?
No, it's not broken. Wait for Vega. Yeah. Slowly. I think it's okay now. I think we can have this one. Wait.
Are we gonna make big pancakes or small?
Big pancakes. Don't mix it. It's enough. Stop mixing it.
Ew. What? What?
It's not looking good. Go put the butter on the table.
In the dining table?
Yeah. Or Where do you want to eat?
In the dining table. Easy does it.
Okay, Brent, what are you having?
I have 5 bacons and 3 pancakes.
And I have 3 pancakes, 5 bacons as well, and 2 sunny side up eggs. You want some syrup with that, Brent? With your pancakes? Yes, please.
Yes,
Whoa. Okay.
please. Can be
Yummy.